Second question, write the coefficients of x square in each of the following. What do you mean by coefficients? So coefficient is nothing but here what is behind x square, that is nothing but called as coefficients. If you don't have x square, then you can write it as 0 here. So the first question, 2 plus x square plus x. Here the coefficient of x square only asking here. So you can see what is behind x square. So x square ನ ಹಿಂದೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು coefficient of x square ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿಬಹುದು. ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಒಂದು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ನ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು coefficients ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So the coefficient of x square is 1. Again the second question you can see 2 minus x square plus x raised to 3. Here the minus 1 is called as coefficient of x square. Third question, pi by 2 x square plus x. Here x square behind you have pi by 2. So pi by 2 is the correct answer. Fourth question, root 2x minus 1. Here x square is not there. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x square ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು coefficients ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು coefficient of x square ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತೊಳ್ಕೊಬಹುದು. So this is regarding the second question. In the next video, let us discuss with the third main problem of exercise 2.1.